nya enchichimu pa me de manya document ni bia makenkan kakra da ba bia na metese nkofo se ehemfo kra mpo empempna de kakra wo mfaso mu gold no kra no so person use a I so kwaje lines as say free Sammy Gyamfi I thought say it was very funny equal na menyi ni se bia be wadi no ba me kenkan ye no ba bia mo ka se hoarding. Oh, and later on, check the definition of the word hoarding. We say would be a gold man. Minimum say it is in practical terms. No, so did I say saying?
Mammy can't show the person here with gold board. Gold board numbers almost a jumaphobia. Womu heck, and now omu to say omu beto gold. Now omu the gold that call Amanone or Ghana has. Anaso omupe eno mobe ma utumi na wakoso go da brewo no mo bo de akwa amanone se ye hwesa amra no ewia wo biara wonkoji tumi krata ewo saa edumako gold board no a wo beto gold ye becho wo beto gold ye becho wo be na ni gold e de aye ye friend say intetua na se bibi ye becho we so export goods ye becho one other process a woman said who biara gold board no license na udi gold a dosun and I say gold e mu du kakra e be to them the pen of holding no and also ye becho there no problem it is first of all yeah minority for no yeah amendments to bring crack arbitrary there better parliament say Abbey and also me film branding because when you film branding no permanent show ni man no problem about why obi o wa onye sika kakra na so senior city ni na not ni sika $1. Bank of Ghana omum pen fa so mo dey defend gold coin aba and it always sika so this cannot be to the value when call for more. You can focus on gold coin, factor them. Don't say it's only yena no me ade no be call ebia na da kamuni ade o gold na japa de kakra da ho. Da actually here the day no afon bi kakra no de akwa ya or the bear. Bank of Ghana yena for a friend of gold coins, minted gold coins. And ambra o mo de abese and say amre ya. Say say Bank of Ghana gold coins need to them one. Gold board na beto.
Hey,
oh yeah, say oh yeah, get the news. So yeah, they now think as better. In Timatogo, them now actually met me up on one. Yeah, bet you. In fact, Nananuma or more gold near the Dao. We shut down senior to say as you say, and you be the amount exemption who must some bet you. In Cuba, exemptions are yeah to the gold board bill. Me and Kasa could just point about the exemption. Ralph, Toko, you say, the member of Parliament back exemptions. Dr. Mohammed Amin Adam, exemptions. Alexander Fenyo Markin, honestly, the amendments. Amendments are who do I Professor Kinyaku. Amendments are who do more than 20-25 amendments. The engineers, Sasa, the Menema will on the assembly anymore. Oh, no, the number of assembly. I perceive to Mr. Emma will want to me as a son of a person and send on their banner. The critical problems will be organized. The gold industry, no engineer yet had we small on the cost road. And now one more license, means I'm saying, oh, they can't more any licenses are A2 shoe, A2 forest, etc. The young holdings. Ghana, I think. I did a pretty to me sacra, many issues and you careful near sorry for your pay. Only the fire.
So, said PMMC that's so horrible. Now, PMMC Emrana, Omodia Jumano, Ghana ni, who quite say to be told good credit told them one, and now the use. Now, here was our quino.
Why, was our quino. But I'm the new one now, Omoyano. Only quite say open idea.
And then we expect to say what from Massa Kufina Muchna. It's here my workers are no enwa. Ye di ebesi no na. But be so governor Now I think it's Monday governor.
Yes, and I'm right as you know. And I no pay and no for Mansodia. Also, the Galamsin, why not you go on with the Ono say 2 about 4 years media Jumano, Yanke who say to me. Now, yeah, it say because of Yaba Tuaba and a woman for watching the union, he say, yes, we had the Yan. Yan Pete Juman. Galamse ebetu Ghana betu galamse ana yeduma na ye no so sisi e na do banga ko no da so ho and the players are crackers say yetu abawi a omu be hye sa banga de mu kuna ye ntuna say e ma ba we mebu eduma tie enti no mu ye eduma na pete be wetimu na mu time mu fere mabusu afo na mu make sure say aba no ni ko toma John Dramani Mahama de wo mu ni yenim say nyame bu amande na eto aba no no side honest for Bekata. And he said, do back all slim, and do back all the baby, some control, we do that about here. In the enemy, after by Friday, or move breaking. Now, obedience me, and Yakaya, don't me, and speak for the Busia for. Now, Monday, you draw, in I there for 12, but you're 2 and they say, for your best now. I'm a Baba and I'm saying for a big picture. Abana Yatwama, Mahama, yet me a kind, no Mahama, they didn't on the 7th, on the 8th, on the 9th. Yeah, Baba Mahama, Mumbramba.
I don't know. Can I pay for no etikane? Can I muni no metana me garanti and na me kanu nyame adom. Nisa nyame buana mutu ama John Dramani Mahama. Na mutu ama Abubakar Sadika. Na mutu se John Mama Adi Kunim. Na Abubakar Sadika Adi Kunim. Na tidi timpuwa mu ye maduma. Na mutu je ni okutu ha so wa be ka ata mo a. Mutu bi hu. Abubakar Sadika Adi Kunim. Sabi yem pay for Abubakar Juma ye no. Wait, I can pay for this. It's a tremor. Come on, to Abano, never more at Mohubai. No! Vanguard no Omuno. Vanguard no Edaso. About 20 more my day. In my money, I would come on a Vanguard day. Oh, it's a tremor. Your Dutch about on a day. Yes, I'm going to get a massive. Okay, I make a no more. Since you are Mohun Wahano, or Behun said the land in the city, or Becca, Namebua, after on the 11th, on the 7th, and she say, oh, at the mom, because on one of us I got now. Said the Bay, you are no blade or by a Jumata clay. Which would not have finished. Now, so that's how I had 1 month out of Aquahine. Now, so the Abba Yaguma. Now, so no criminal call for Friday. Eddie here, and 2 Papa Twabana, and John Daman Mahama, and 2 direct. And I don't demand how much man, and that's what I'm saying. We're Ghana for dear. If I papa be a better now this year, now and who are coming to me, I don't have Friday. Why, yes, I'm at yeah, a woman details here. Papa, a bit and she say, yeah, or my penny John Dramani Mahama, as she said, our day back. The man of my day. I told now, don't you man up with them? I'm saying, a cost of pie and this careful. Then the animal mark for a Tony, my brother, on your money. Who could do a grown up yagam to what will be abused talk? I would do that. Now, for us to send you abused all. And to name over starts me in a day. With Yana from your mama for back, or the king cannot make you man after that. Namunina, Kadia, Modebaya Jumano.
Ezu Yaba Omo Mochi Omo Galamse no Omo Atu Omo Yabama Omo Amnesty no Omo Saba Ezu Mojidi say, Emrebia omo from here, omo enu omo ho. Enti yebe yi omo na yama omo another chance. Indeed, if we were in some other jurisdiction, he would have resigned by now. by his word. He put his presidency on the line. Because now his own people have been found to be the ones engaged. All their party executives have, concessions and are doing illegal mining in forest reserves. It's a pity, but it's close to home, and that's why he can't deal with it. If you go to the districts, they talk about community mining. Community mining is the MPP party executives and the DCAs who are doing the community mining. And so they are the ones doing what they're doing. And so how can you expect him to fight, Galamsey, when his own people are involved in it?
Yeah, the president lacks the political will to do this.
He does. It makes very nice, verbiage when you talk about it and you express a will to do something. Well, action speaks louder than words. Our river bodies are still the coffee color that they were. Maybe they were Milo before. They are looking like coffee now, getting darker. And they all know who are doing it. The Shamfa machines are there. It's not something that you can put in a handbag and walk and go and do it here. They put it there. And so how come you can't find the Shamfa machines, that are washing all that mud into the river bodies? So I think he's failed when it comes to illegal gold mining.